Ryder, how much longer till dinner's ready?
5 minutes. Let's turn up the heat.
Ryder, oh no, there's a fire!
I know it.
911, there's an emergency. We have a big fire at our house.
Whoa, there is a fire. Let me get out for y'all.
Try your water gun, dude.
Oh yeah. Run for your life! Kids should not cook without an adult. Sorry. I'm gonna make it smell good in Mommy's house. I'm gonna use this candle with fire. I'm gonna go flat.
Fire!
My house is on fire! 911, my house is on fire. Come quick!
Run for your life! Oh no, the house is on fire! I'm gonna put this fire out.
What? Where did you go to fireman school? Cause that's not how you put out a fire, dude.
Oh, I have an idea. Water balloons!
Seriously, it's a fire and you're using water balloons? Use your water cannon.
Let's get this fire out.
Seriously?
Oh no!
My house is burned down because you took so long.
Ryder, were you playing with the candle? No. Actually, yeah. Kids should never play with candles. It'll burn your house down.
Ooh, Ryder, I'm getting hungry. Why don't we make some s'mores?
Yummy. That's a great idea.
Ooh, Ryder, it's getting hot over here.
Tree's on fire.
Run!
Run for your life!
We have an emergency. The tree's on fire.
Ow!
Seriously? What is that?
My truck's in the shop, so I'm gonna use this bad boy. That didn't work. I'm gonna use this bad boy.
Seriously? Let me do it myself.
Okay, ma'am, let me do this.
The fire's already out, man.
Ryder, kids should never put a fire under a tree. Sorry.
So that tree's gonna be on fire.
Oh, we got it. Everybody knows the tree's on fire. Ooh, Ryder, it's getting hot over here. Say.
Ow!
You okay?